Showing instructions for this home and other 2 MLS-S, buy 1, 2, or all 3, 1 day only. Open house Saturday, May 1, 2021, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Submit best offer by 4 p.m. Sunday, May 2, 2021, to daniel756@gmail.com. Sellers will make a selection at that time. Thank you. Palmetto, a city in Manatee County, one of Florida's best kept secrets. See for yourself why its residents would not want to live anywhere else in the world. Open your eyes to old Florida charisma, quiet charm, and natural splendor. Minutes from Terra Ceia Island on the southern shore of Tampa Bay, and the Gulf of Mexico. Beautiful single-family screen-enclosed pool home, 1 owner, frontage 85x100 deep, beautifully landscaped, pool deck, outside patio, Florida room connecting to the large laundry room, connecting to the master bedroom closet, vanity, and master bedroom. Front door entrance into a small hallway leading to family room with 2 walkways to the kitchen, dining, carport door, and the kitchen. To the left, a large closet in a longer hallway to bathroom, 1 wood cabinet sink, a tub with a shower. Bedroom 2 towards the front of the house, ceiling fan. Bedroom 2, towards the front side of the house, ceiling fan, and to the front doorway of master bedroom. Kitchen remodeled, updated appliances, pass-through window to Florida room. Flooring, laminate, wood, and carpet. Fenced in the backyard for privacy. Next door to the east is property 2, MLS-.